Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here. My name's Logan.
And my name's Francesco.
And in today's video, we are going to be discussing about the April event.
Yes, April event. They announced a lot. This was definitely spring loaded. And I'm really happy about what they announced. So let's get right into this recap. Here we go. Okay, so first, let's get to the first product. iPhone 12
now in purple.
So, this was kind of a surprise. No one expected this. This is I don't think this has ever happened, other than iPhone 8 back in 2018 when they did the product red thing and they released it a little bit later. But this, we haven't seen in a while, and purple, not product red, purple. They basically, iPhone 11 called and said, hey, I want my purple back. They brought it back. There we go. So here's some pictures of the iPhone 12 in beautiful purple. It actually looks like a really nice. If you're looking for a gift for your mom, that's a perfect gift in that color. Looks beautiful. They also released a new spring cases to spice up the colors, and that's another addition of color to the iPhone 12 lineup.
AirTags.
We got AirTags finally.
Woo! AirTags, baby. Let's go.
We've been leaking in rumors for so long. Since I don't know if it was 18 or 19, something like that. They've been rumored for so long, and finally
they've come out. AirTags back from the dead. Let's go.
John Prosser was very accurate with his design. You can customize them with any emoji you want on the back.
That's amazing.
But obviously that's going to take longer to ship, and it'll hurt the resale value if you try and sell them. So I wouldn't recommend doing that unless you really want to customize them and you know you're going to be keeping them forever. You can attach them to bags, things, keychains.
That's how small it is?
It's the size of a bottle cap, very small. It has interchangeable batteries. You can CR2032, the back silver thing.
Okay, I have a question. Why are they on the outside of your bag? Because anyone don't see that and say, that's AirTags right there. I'm just gonna take that off. So
they could. So I would probably put it inside, but it's always up to the consumer. That's what they look like. So they basically work with Find My to track anything you want, and when you're looking for them, it works with ultra wideband to see, oh, it's 20 feet to your right, finding the keys. Oh, they're right in front of you. Here they are. And then it'll show location, where it is.
Oh my god.
You can find out exactly where you're, see, it'll show precise location of where they are. Okay, and you can customize it with many different keychain options.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I wouldn't engraving, but the keychain is good. You have leather options, you have silicone options, you have Hermes. Hermes, if you don't know the brand, it's some Paris brand from Paris. They work with Apple to make leather Apple Watches and stuff like that, but they made a leather little keychain holder for the AirTags. And guess how much? Okay, if you look at this one right here, these keychains are like 40 bucks, okay? 40, 50 bucks, big deal. The AirTags themselves are $40 Canadian, okay? This Hermes band, this Hermes band is $550.
Whoa! $550. You must be a lunatic to buy that.
A little leather loop. It's literally this small. It's just a leather keychain. $500.
Who would spend that? Who would spend that? Apple, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
The Apple's like, okay, we're gonna take 50%. You're gonna take.
This is Apple at its finest.
And for the profit, whatever, and we're gonna charge $150. No. We want $400
for that. That's despicable. No one should get this.
I don't know what Hermes is up to.
Avoid Hermes, okay? Avoid Hermes, please.
Unless you got tons of this.
Yes.
Apple TV 4K, that was also announced at this event.
A higher definition of TV.
So the body itself did not change. You got an A12 chip in it, so that was internal upgrades. The remote, however, is different now compared to the previous gen remote. So it has even Siri on the side, brand new buttons, it's silver, it's a bit thicker. This is the previous gen on the left versus newer gen on the right. Obviously, people did not like the scroll thing. They wanted a physical click for scroll wheel, and it looks obviously more classic, so very nice looking remote.
Now, does the remote come with the Apple TV
Yes,
box?
it does.
Okay.
And if you have an older Apple TV and you want the newer remote, you can buy the newer remote. They also sell it separately if you want. I think it's like 50, 60 bucks. If you want to use it with your old Apple TV, it's backwards compatible. Here's a demo. This is a demo of it on a TV. Big deal. The iMac.
Let's
The
go.
one I've been waiting for
Let's
so
go.
darn long.
Say hello to the new iMac.
Very thin.
Let's go.
This is only 11 millimeters thin.
You could rip it into a piece of
literally
paper.
it's double the size of this. This is how thin it is.
You can rip it into a shred.
Beautiful, and it comes in 7 different colors. It comes in green, yellow, orange, red, which they call pink, I think, purple, blue, and silver.
What color are you gonna get?
I'm definitely getting blue. As you can see here, take a look. I'll give you an example here. So as you can see, the blue on this iMac. Take a look at the AirPods Max that will be coming soon in another unboxing. Well, if you didn't see that unboxing video, click the card here. But basically, this blue here on the back of the iMac, that is basically this color right here. Okay, probably the exact same. But then the stand in the front of the display, will be this blue color. So
It's amazing.
It's a two-tone look, except for the silver one. The silver only has a single tone look.
Say hello to the new iMac. This is gonna be great.
Power cord is magnetic, headphone jack on the side, very nice touch. The keyboard and mouse have not been redesigned, but just slight changes. No, the chin still exists. We got white bezels. That is a big controversy with the design. Some people don't like it. I kind of actually like it. I do not like this, however, where you only get 4 USB-C ports, 2 USB-C and 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. Like, what are they doing, Thunderbolt? Like, why no USB-A? Well, or maybe an SD card at least, or HDMI. Maybe they can't fit HDMI. They could have put an SD card on the slide, but now you have to buy a dock. You have to buy a dock for it, which is gonna like another $200. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Trackpad comes in different colors.
Trackpad? What?
This is basically, you know, on a laptop, you use the little trackpad to move around the mouse. That's basically the same thing. You can
How much are these costs?
You can add it to your Mac. I think it costs like an extra $30-40 for that. But it comes in different colors now. Previously it was just silver. Now it matches the color of your iMac. So ours will be blue, which will be beautiful. As well as the mouse. Same design. They didn't fix the charging port. I don't know why they didn't, but they added colors, which is very nice touch.
And let me tell you something, they better come with Apple stickers. I swear to God, they better come.
They
better come with Apple stickers. We will be reviewing that later on.
Yes. Pre-orders start this Friday, April 30th at 5 a.m. Pacific, 8 a.m. Eastern. So we're pre-ordering it because I've been waiting for so long, and can't wait to unbox it. Mid-May it ships. The keyboard has been slightly redesigned, has more rounded edges. You got some more key functionality on the top.
Do they have a keyboard that matches every color?
Yes, they do. This is just an example. And right there, this is an upgraded version. There's 3 versions of the keyboard. You can get a single version, which doesn't have the extended numpad and arrows. That you can get without Touch ID or with Touch ID, or you can get the extended layout with the numpad, which I will be getting because I like the numpad. And it has, for the first time ever on a Mac, Touch ID on the iMac. The iMac has never had Touch ID. The MacBook, yes, but never the iMac.
What the hell's that?
That's Touch ID.
Oh,
so you put your finger and you can unlock your Mac that way.
That's amazing. That's sick.
Pretty cool.
That's why they take so long.
Basically like that. See, they put their finger and that's a smaller version of the keyboard.
That's why it took so long.
And this is the new M1 lineup. So it comes with M1, 8 cores, CPU, 7-core GPU. You can upgrade it to an 8-core GPU. You can upgrade it to 16 gigs of RAM. This will be a very powerful beast. And it's alongside other new M1 Max.
Beast. Yeah, yes. It is a beast. It's a beast itself.
Next product,
iPad Pro.
So iPad Pro has been a common refresh. They released this design in 2018. They refreshed it last year in 2020 of the spring, and now we get another refresh this year. So this year, camera layout's the same. Basically, colors are the same.
Nothing's changed.
The external design didn't change. It's mostly internals. So camera layout the same as last year. There's a new Magic keyboard that you can get. It's the same one as before. Like mine right here is the older style, which you have to click in. The newer style that they revealed last year is one where it floats like this. They did that this year, but except now it comes in white. Before it just came in space gray like this. Some new features. It comes with 5G that no one asked for.
Nobody asked it.
Who buys? Can I just know who buys cellular data on an iPhone?
Me. 5G.
Who's gonna use 5G on an iPad? Like, why?
I don't know why they're doing that, but that's great. That's great.
Upgraded internals, new little things here and there. But this is gonna stir the controversy. You know why? The Magic Keyboard has been compatible with old iPads. So what I mean is like the 2018 iPad works with the 2020 Magic Keyboard. They all work. So right now a lot of people have the new Magic Keyboard from 2020 and either use it with their 2018 or 2020 iPad Pro. If they want to upgrade to the 2021 iPad Pro but not spend another $300 to get a new one, because you already have one and it's $300 for Magic Keyboard, if you plan on getting this year's iPad Pro and you try and use your old Magic Keyboard, it ain't gonna work. What? And you're probably thinking, how is it not gonna work? Well, it's because the newer iPad is 0.5 millimeters thicker.
Well, that's despicable. You wanna know Apple, man? Apple should be the new logo.
0.5 millimeters thicker. And you know why that happened? That's exactly the display. It has a new display, mini LED display. And because of that, the display is just slightly thicker, 0.5. So it adds 0.5 millimeters to the thickness of the iPad, which means that if you try and use your old Magic Keyboard, it won't close, okay? But anyways, aside from that, that's all they announced. Obviously, there was some little stuff like, some updates to Apple Card and Apple Podcast, blah, blah, blah. We don't care about that. What we do care about is the iMac.
I think they did good on the iMac.
So long.
I think they did good on the iMac.
Say hello to the new iMac. I can't wait to get this blue. I just can't.
And we're gonna unbox it here on Rogan Reactions.
Yes.
Subscribe
so you don't miss out on that video. And that's been today's video.
So that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to like, comment, subscribe, and please leave that notification bell rung. That would be great. We're almost at 100 subscribers. Please, God, we want 100 subscribers by the beginning of summer vacation. And guess what? On summer vacation, we'll be uploading like crazy.
With
so
the playoffs,
stay tuned.
NHL playoffs. That's exciting. And if you didn't check out our AirPods Max,
right here,
check it out.
Right here.
Or maybe in the previous part of the video, I don't know, there's an unboxing playlist card right here. You can check out our unboxings. And this will be our last ever video to be filmed in this studio. Now, we're going to be renovating and getting a new studio, same place. But we're going to be changing up our setup. You'll see lots of different changes. So you'll see our new studio setup later at the end of
probably
summer.
Look cool.
Probably end of August, beginning of September. It's going to take a while. It's a lot of work to change everything, but it will be fun. It will be exciting. Can't wait for you to see it.
And actually, we'll do a room tour. We'll do a room reveal.
Yes, you can see everything in the room and how it looks, and it'll be exciting on new studio. So just can't wait for that. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Can't wait for the iMac unboxing. Stay tuned for that. And we'll see you on the next one.
Peace!